Can your spouse legally break into your personal files, taking secrets to court? Imagine finding your most private documents used against you. How far can marital trust be breached? Let's uncover this shocking tale. Cecilia Zulueta vs. Court of Appeals and Alfredo Martin, GR number 107383, February 20, 1996. This was the question at the heart of a legal battle that reached the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Before we dive into the twists and turns of this real-life legal drama, don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing stories from the courtroom. In 1982, Cecilia Zulueta, suspecting her husband, Dr. Alfredo Martin, of infidelity, took a drastic step. She entered his medical clinic and, with the help of her mother, a driver, and Dr. Martin's secretary, forcibly opened drawers and cabinets. Cecilia took 157 documents, including personal letters, greeting cards, canceled checks, diaries, a passport, and photographs. Her intention was to use these documents as evidence in a legal separation case and to disqualify Dr. Martin from practicing medicine. Dr. Martin, feeling violated, sued Cecilia for the return of the documents and for damages. The Regional Trial Court of Manila sided with Dr. Martin, ruling that the documents were his property and ordering Cecilia to return them and to pay damages. The Court of Appeals affirmed this decision. Cecilia took her fight to the Supreme Court, arguing that a previous ruling had deemed similar documents admissible in a different case. However, the Supreme Court denied her petition. It held that the privacy of communication and correspondence is protected by the Constitution, making any evidence obtained in violation of this principle inadmissible in any proceeding. The court emphasized that the sanctity of individual privacy.
In the end, the Supreme Court ruled against Cecilia Zulueta, confirming that the documents she took from her husband's clinic without his consent could not be used in court. This decision reaffirmed the importance of privacy rights and the legal boundaries that protect them, even in marriage. Dispositive portion. The Supreme Court's decision was to deny the petition for review for lack of merit, affirming the lower court's rulings that demanded the return of the documents to Dr. Martin and prohibited their use in any legal proceedings. Important doctrines discussed. 1. Privacy of communication and correspondence. The Constitution protects the privacy of communication and correspondence, making any evidence obtained in violation of this privacy inadmissible in any proceeding. 2. Marital privacy. The intimate nature of marriage does not permit one spouse to breach the privacy rights of the other, highlighting that the constitutional right to privacy is individual and does not cease upon entering marriage. 3. Privileged communication between spouses. The law provides for privileged communication between spouses, preventing either from testifying against the other without consent, reflecting the respect for marital privacy and confidentiality. The moral lesson here is clear: the ends do not justify the means. In pursuing justice or truth, one must not trample on the rights and dignity of others. The sanctity of privacy and respect for the law are pillars of a just society. This story, based on real events, is shared for educational purposes only. While efforts have been made to ensure its accuracy, please consult legal professionals for specific advice or verification. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating legal stories and insights into the principles that guide our lives and societies.